Hey everyone, welcome back. Let me ask you a question. Are you still hunting for that one perfect smartphone? You know the one, the device that doesn't just meet your expectations, but absolutely crushes them. I'm talking about a phone with DSLR level camera power, battery life that's practically a monster, and performance that takes off like a rocket, but without you having to break the bank. If you nodded yes, then stick around, because this might just be the most important video you watch all year. Today, we're talking about a legendary brand making a jaw-dropping comeback, with what could be the ultimate flagship killer. The one that's about to rewrite the entire rulebook. Yes, we are diving into the leaked details of the Nokia X500 Ultra 5G. And I guarantee you, once you hear these specs, your jaw is going to drop. This isn't a minor upgrade. This feels like a total game changer. So, sit back, relax, and try to keep your heart rate down, because we are breaking down the insane, rumored features of this beast. Let's get into it. Features of the Nokia X500 Ultra 5G. Display. First up, the display. And a fair warning, looking at this screen might just spoil you for every other phone out there. We're looking at a massive 6.75-inch Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED display. It's not just about those deep, vibrant colors, it's about pure speed. With a 120Hz refresh rate, scrolling through your feed and gaming on this thing is going to feel buttery smooth, like sliding your hand across silk. In durability, Nokia is bringing their classic tank-like build. We're talking Gorilla Glass 6, and a full IP68 water and dust resistance rating. Camera system. Now, let's talk about the main event. The camera system. Calling this just a camera doesn't do it justice. This is a portable photography studio that fits in your pocket. Are you ready for this? The primary sensor is rumored to be a staggering, almost unbelievable 400 megapixels. Think about that. 400 megapixel means you can zoom in, and zoom in again, and the detail will still be crystal clear. We are talking about legit, crop-able, DSLR level quality right from your phone. But the party doesn't stop there. The system is reportedly packed with a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 32 megapixel telephoto lens, and an 8 megapixel macro lens. And for my selfie lovers, hold on to your seats, they're talking about a 50 megapixel front-facing camera. And the cherry on top, this beast is rumored to shoot video in full 8K resolution. Performance and software. Okay, time to check under the hood. What's powering this absolute monster? Inside, it's rumored to be running the latest and greatest, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. Paired with what we expect to be a minimum of 12 GB of RAM, this phone is a certified powerhouse. What does that mean for you? It means you can play the heaviest, most graphic-intensive games at max settings without a single stutter. Multitasking. You could have 10 apps open, be screen recording, and live streaming, and this phone would just laugh and ask for more. And it's all running on the clean, latest Android 16, promising you the next level of smooth performance and top-tier security. Battery life. Now, all this power needs serious fuel, right? And from the leaks, it seems Nokia did not compromise. Not one bit. We're looking at a potentially massive 8000mAh battery. Let that sink in, 8000. This isn't a one-day phone. For most users, this could easily be a 2 to 3 day battery life device. And that's even if you're pushing it with heavy gaming or recording in 8K. And when you finally do need a top-up, no stress. With rumored 125-watt superfast charging, you could go from 0 to 100% in just about 25 to 30 minutes. Price and launch date. So, the million-dollar question. How much will this dream machine actually cost you? Guys, this is where the real shock comes in. Based on my industry sources and the leaked pricing reports, this powerhouse could be positioned around just $850. If this holds true, it's not just a new phone, it's the ultimate market disruptor. When can you get your hands on it? The buzz points to a potential global launch around December 2026. So, mark your calendars and maybe start that savings fund now.